Every year, over 14 billion pounds of trash are dumped into the ocean. Due to this increase in trash gathering in the Pacific Ocean, an immense collection of garbage has been named the Great Pacific Garbage Patch and is currently estimated to be 1.6 million square kilometers in size. Olivia and I think that the best way we can save the ocean from all this trash is by stopping the trash from flowing through the storm drains. Plastic products such as plastic cups, plastic can holders, and straws are seen littered on the streets and sidewalks of many cities. When it rains, this trash is washed into storm drains, which carries the litter out to the ocean. Our invention centers around laser beams. We believe that the best way to interrupt the flow of trash is to disintegrate the waste that flows by. The lasers are arranged in a circular formation that will target every angle of trash. To make sure we don't miss anything, the second round of lasers will be located a few hundred feet after the first. We are powering our lasers using solar panels that are located above ground, and the energy generated from the panels will be transferred with wiring that will pass through the metal piping and will generate the laser beams. We decided that stainless steel will hold the laser tubes together so that they can have the most powerful effect on the trash. We will also be using steel as a liner in the pipes that will extend a few feet before and after the lasers. We chose stainless steel for several reasons. The main one is that even though the laser beams themselves don't generate heat, when the energy that they embody is absorbed by the trash, heat is then created. The last thing we want is for the storm drain pipes to overheat and melt the layer of steel. Steel has a very high boiling point of 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, which will contain the heat and will protect the outside pipes from melting. We chose steel because it is a very good conductor for electricity, which is crucial for our invention. The metal that holds the lasers must be conductive so that the energy from the solar panels can travel through the metal and power the laser beams. Another reason why we chose steel is that it is an alloy, a combination of many metals. One of the key things about alloys is, by combining metals, metalloids, and nonmetals, your final product can have the best qualities of many elements while also neglecting the negatives that many metals have. In our case, iron is the main base of steel, but while it is a very strong metal, it does corrode, which is very harmful to the sea life. However, when you add chromium, which is a non-corrosive non-metal, the new solution remains very strong due to the iron, but also not corrosive due to the chromium. By adding other elements like carbon, which strengthens the iron base, nickel, which strengthens the resistance to corrosion, manganese, which reduces the brittleness and cracking of the iron base, titanium, which also fortifies the resistance to the corrosion of the iron base, and several others, steel becomes the perfect product for our invention.